This is both my sisters and my father's birthday week. Happy birthday, Eunice. Happy birthday to my father.
You'll find us on the grind, kungenyama yemu sausage. We hustling pa musika, though we tryna make it corporate. Mane majeti yandauzwa muzvikona nema comrade. Good girls in the city, heartbroken, so they gone bad. You gonna take the pain till you waste it and you don't care. I pray you find a healing for the struggles that you don't share. Pray you found the courage for opinions that you don't air. I pray you found the justice in the world, I know it's not fair. I pray we can be innocent again like we both were. Vano adikitisi nakana dakane munu, but it's been daka zandi daka babumba daka for voodoo. Royal like chaka bandi chaka, not a Zulu zezuru. Indiri shimba nojga buru, yet it's not yet on Hulu. Diri muga yacho huri, but it's not yet uhuru. Diri samanyika wasu chimbo funda ikuskuru. Vana Jaden and Atara have my traits asekuru. Tisaka komba pachuru, teseti noda pakuru. Teseti noda pakakora tigo paba zukuru. Asha kakosha kuita hunu, musafira mafufu. Musazona matava pumi, jekulikiswa butu. Musazoramba na mu marriage based on tips by YouTube. Genesis 1 verse 28 tell us we should be fruitful. Satan akajiwa kare anovenga isusu. Abanye vaya mkonza njalo vaya pila letutu. Staging life, smoking mirrors angesabi intutu. There's a stamina you move with when you know you've been truthful. When I was coming up to sum it up, I learned from the gurus. The message is we're one with us on who to be true to.
Glam, it's my party, your boy. I say glam, it's my party, your boy. Yeah, coming at ya.